Our first step is going to be to get access to the drive shaft carrier. It's above the mid pipe, so we're going to need to either remove the mid pipes or lower the front or the back of them in order to get us enough clearance to get up there with the cutting tool and get the heat shield off that's blocking it. So I'm going to try to just remove the collars at the back of the mid pipe and just try to drop them down a little bit. Now to cut the OEM carrier off, it's easiest to flip this one upside down. I either could get in here, this is a body saw, you could use a grinder, cut-off wheel, pretty much anything. You might even be able to get it with a good pair of like bolt cutters or something, but basically we're just going to cut right here on the bottom and center, and then we're just going to open it all up. Take a razor blade and cut these 4 attachment points off. Rubber spokes here. Now we're going to just need to clean up the bearing here, so all these big chunks of rubber need to be cut off. We're going to leave the base layer of rubber, so you can see there's kind of a flat spot behind all these chunks. You want to leave that, so just get rid of the chunks. Having a flexible razor blade like this helps a lot because you're kind of going to be fighting the drive shaft a little bit to get in there. So I'm just going to go around, cut all 8 of these chunks of rubber off. Doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm just going around, I'm going to clean them up a little bit. Get some of the really high spots off. The bushings that we're going to use to clamp around this are pretty forgiving, so you really don't have to make this that precise. This isn't actually going to move. We just need to be able to clamp around this thing, so if you leave too much rubber on there, it's going to be, you know, kind of a tighter clamp. It's possible you'd get more, you know, noise transferred through it. Not really letting the bushings do their job absorbing that vibration. And if you took all the rubber off, then it'd be loose. Now we're going to bolt the new carrier on. You're going to take the text and place it going forward. You're going to take a bolt, put a fender washer on it, put the isolation damper through it, and we're going to go up through the heat shield, up through the carrier, another isolation damper coming down from the top, and a washer on the very top, the small washer. Same thing on the other side, bolt, fender washer, up through the isolation damper, through the heat shield and the carrier. Another isolation damper down from the top. And a small washer on the very top.